Hi, it's Alex at Physiotherapy.Marketing and welcome to our Google Ad Review Series number 4. Today we've taken a step out of physiotherapy marketing to find an example of a pass using air conditioning installers in Perth. This is a competitive market space, but not overly expensive. But we've taken the first ad that we've found here from this search in Google. You can see it's got 18.5 million impression results, and we're going to analyze this ad that's come up here against these criteria. This video is supposed to be educational, informational, and a little bit fun. So let's dive right in. Okay, so we've got electricalcontractors.com, and if we have a look at their keyword use of air conditioning installation Perth, in their keyword, in their URL, being electricalcontractors.com, they don't have any of the keyword. But in the path, they've partly brought in part of the keyword, which is air conditioning. However, the path is two parts. You can see the first part is air, and then the second part is conditioning. But you get 15 character spaces in each part. Air conditioning as one word is 15 characters. So they could have easily fit air conditioning, and then the second part of the path could have been installation. So while they've got it there, it's a part, and it's better than nothing, but they could have easily just extended that. In the headline, they've got air conditioning installation perfect. But in the description, they come down here and then they say air conditioning service to customers. This is serves as a point of confusion now to the searcher, the person who's typed in the keyword, because you talk about air conditioning, the air conditioning installation here and here and here, but then you say air conditioning service. Silly mistake, and easily rectified. So 2 out of 4 could easily be 3 out of 4 if you don't want to change your URL, which a lot of people won't. So 2 out of 4 so far. Let's move down into the ad extensions. So got a call extension, fantastic, easy to do. They've got address extension, easy to do. You can set both of these up on the account level. So every time you do an ad in your account, they automatically populate. There is no reason, absolute no reason why this shouldn't populate on every single ad that you serve, especially in the first position. So then they've got the site links here. There's 3 shown here. They're super boring though. Product catalogs, testimonials, and electrical services. Even the way that they talk about these things is super boring, but they are there, so they get a tick. Call outs. This here, get a quote, get a same day quote. I've never seen this before, and I will be talking to my Google contacts about how to do this. I think it's a way that they've done the call out. So I've put a yes here for the call out, because this is something special. Get quote, same day quote. But why haven't they made that not just there, but put it into the site link? You know, you could easily do a super awesome call out action to a big site link with something to say, get a free quote, get a same day quote, get a quote online, you know, something. No images, not sure why, it's easy to do, and no structured snippets. But 4 out of 6, the best we've seen so far. Now, call out action, here again, they let themselves down with such a good ad, or what has the bones of such a good ad, but in the headline, they don't make any reference to a call out. They just tell you they're reliable aircon experts. Big deal, everyone tells you that. In the description, they do make a call out here, say call now, and they, you know, so that's the simplest one they've got. But they've got room for site links. Like the call out could be a lot better than a product catalogue or electrical services Perth. People don't want electrical services. They want air conditioning installation information or service or quotes, or that's what they want. They're not searching for electrical services. So 1 out of 3. The so what test, again, there's nothing truly unique here in the information. You know, putting aside that they've got this unique little bit of call out, you could swap out electrical contractors and put in Crisp Air or put in Ford and Duna or put in any number of Perth air conditioning installations, and it would all be true. They'd all say they're reliable, they'd all say they're experts and stuff. You need to tell the person who's searching, the prospect, something unique, something about you that nobody else can tell them. Like, what about if you guarantee your price or guarantee your installation for a year, or what's your guarantee on your work or your price or anything that's unique? You know, so nothing truly unique here. So counting up, we've got 2 out of 4, 4 out of 6, and 1 out of 3 is 7 out of 13. And this is our first pass in the series. So congratulations to electrical contractors. Whoever's doing your ads, you know, you're overpaying them, but at least they've got your pass. So the recommendations, sorry, we haven't moved off these recommendations because we haven't seen anything really outstanding yet, is fix the basic page gaps. You could easily fix the keywords to be 3 out of 4. You could easily fix the extensions to be 6 out of 6. And the call to actions, you know, I could fix this ad in 15 minutes to be 12 out of 13, plus have something truly unique. So fix the basic information, add something truly unique about your business. Electrical contractors, you've been in business, you know something truly unique about yourself. Put it into your ad. And A/B test the new ad with all of these things updated against the control, and then adjust for the results. Okay, if you've heard anything that interests you and you want to get in touch, please go over to Physiotherapy.Marketing, check out our page and our services. There's the ability to apply for a consultation, and I'd look forward to hearing from you. Otherwise, if you want to just email me directly, it's alex@physiotherapy.marketing. Okay, that's it for today. Take care. Thank you.